Hi everyone, my name is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. Today we're looking at a product called YouTube Channel Mastery Reloaded by Payne. We'll go and we'll have a look at inside the actual product itself and talk about it a bit more. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also check out the links in the description on how to get this product and also other affiliate marketing training. So YouTube channel mastery. So I've bought a few of Adam Payne's products before, and I have to say his stuff is proper. It's good. You know, he knows his stuff. I mean, like it says up here, 8-year YouTube marketing veteran. And yeah, this guy, he is the master of video marketing. And like I said, I've bought his products, his other products before. They're all awesome, excellent products. So yeah, I mean this particular one, YouTube Channel Mastery, is out today, which is the 18th of June, 2020. So yeah, and it's out it's like a relaunch. So you'll get the special discount for the next 6 days. But yeah, trust me, it's awesome. So I'll tell you what it is. So basically, this is about how to run your YouTube channel, how to set it up, and how to run it like a business, and because that's what it is. It's a business. So you want this to run for a long time. So, he shows you how to run this with a long-term strategy in mind, and there's no fluff in the training. It's straight to the point. It's all over the shoulder sort of video training, click by click sort of stuff. So yeah, it's awesome. It's an awesome course, and you'd be surprised how much is in this and how much work you need to put into it, on your channel. I was shocked because I've been through this course, and I have to admit my channel needs a lot of work. So, I mean, after going through his training, there's so many things I need to do. I mean, I'm not happy with this logo, but there's, buttons and layouts and playlists and everything. I've got a long way to go. So as soon as I finish recording this video, I'm going to start making changes because, yeah, I'm missing a trick. I'm missing loads of tricks here because, all optimization, buttons, just the style, the whole lot. It's all covered in here, and it's a big course. So if you look at all these sections that he's got, so you've got the welcome and introduction. So the overview of your channel, a roadmap. That's cool. That shows you, that plans it out for you. Then build an idea, niche research. So yeah. So I mean, he talks to you how what you're gonna make your channel about, what you shouldn't make it about, because obviously there's loads of factors to it. He goes through the whole psychology and thought process about it, and it's really fascinating actually. Some of the stuff that he talks about, it makes you think how channels are made and what they're for. Build the structure. This is a big module. This is all video training here. Creating a channel, verification, settings and defaults, the channel look and feel. It covers it all. YouTube channel checklist, adding a trailer, channel art. I just loved it. I loved it. There's so many, because I've had my channel running for a little while now, and when I was going through it, I was thinking, wow, I'm not done hardly any of this stuff, and it opens your eyes. Trust me, this one was an awesome module. The analytics. I don't know if you're anything like me, but when it comes to analytics, I ain't got a clue what the hell's going on with all this analytics stuff. But here, this module, he lays it out. He shows you what it all means, how to sort of look at stuff, what to look at, what not to look at. And I found it amazing. I love this one. I love module 3, the analytics, because it's all numbers to me. I don't know, man, but he shows you, what to look at and how to form a strategy and what to, how to make your next video and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I found that brilliant, that one. Building a brand, you know, stuff like yeah, managing comments and stuff, you know. It's a long-term strategy, and you know, he tells you mindset about things, channel authority. Man, I really love this training. Really, I mean, if you got a channel, even if you got a channel running, and you know you're a successful marketer, you're gonna learn a few things from this. And you know, if you're a newbie just starting out, you're gonna love this. This is it, really. This is the training for you. Tools there, so bonus. So yeah, you know, I mean, for $27, you can't go wrong. So yeah, the YouTube channel mastery reloaded is $27, and for that, it shows you how to set up your channel and how to run it like a proper long-term business strategy. You know, good business ethics, and you know, just stuff that you need to know. You know, because a lot of newbies, you know, you can find out information on the net about certain bits, but this course brings it all together. Now, this doesn't show you how to make videos. This is all about running your channel. So yeah, just want to make sure you know that. This is about running your channel. But look, it's a complete A to Z guide, and that is true. It is an A to Z guide of how to set up your channel and how to run it for success. So yeah, $27 is, you know, it's the best investment I've made, really, because you know, I've had my channel running, and the stuff that he says in it, I just did not think. All these little optimization bits and all these little things that you should be setting, you know, having in the settings, having them set right and all that kind of stuff. Man, it's an invaluable course. It really is. You also got 2 upsells, 2 OTOs when you sign up for the YouTube Mastery. So you got Playlist Mastery. This is going to be sold at $17, $17. And man, I was shocked when I saw this. You know, there's a whole science to playlists, and you know, it's a whole strategy for this. And when I went through the course, I thought, wow, didn't realize that, you know, that this could be, you know, optimized, and you know, you could have a strategy with the playlists. You know, you can get traffic, ranking, and everything just by knowing how to manage your playlist. And I was shocked. That was an eye opener for me. And for $17, you definitely need to get it. It's a no-brainer. It works so well with the first course. But yeah, so it really is. I mean, just go for it all. It's just, and it's you know, it's a big course. It's roadmap, introduction, best practices, adding videos, silos, traffic, and you know, some of the stuff you know, when you go through it all, you'll just think, wow, you know, did not know that, you know, that would affect that. And yeah, it's a cool course, man. You definitely need to get this, because if you get your playlist done right, get it all optimized and everything, that will bring you traffic as well, and you know, ranking and stuff like that. Then you got the last OTO upsell, which is Discovery Mastery. So Discovery Mastery is basically ads, discovery ads. Now, discovery ads isn't the same as what you call it, in-stream ads. You know, in-stream ads is when you got ads that come before your video that you're playing, or it comes in between or whatever like that. Discovery ads is when it's basically ads that rank in your search results. So if I go back to, so if I just type how to start a YouTube channel. So you got your normal videos that come up there, but your discovery ads would be these ones that come up on the search results. It's not the same as the ads that come before the video that you're playing and stuff like that. So yeah, that's, you know, this is awesome as well, because I haven't got a clue. You know, if you're like me, you don't have a clue about YouTube ads. This is the course to get. Trust me, and it's a big course as well. You know, each section have got videos in it, and he does, you know, he walks through the whole lot. He walks through the whole process, click by click. So yeah, it's you know, $67 for this course, but trust me, you'll know your stuff. You'll know how to run ads after this course, and you definitely need to get it. You know, and he goes through the whole process. You know, he's just explaining what it all is. But yeah, it's like I said, it's you know, he doesn't leave anything out. He trains the whole. He teaches you the whole lot. You know, there's so many bits to it that you can show. Let's just find. It's a 30-minute training here, so you know he runs for the whole thing, Google Ads, everything. So, you know, what if you get this course, $67, you're gonna know how to run YouTube ads effectively. You know, he's not just gonna show you how to set it up; he shows you the right way of doing it. So yeah, so this is it really. Awesome course. So the YouTube channel Mastery Reloaded, $27 is one of the best YouTube channel courses out there. It is for me. I ain't seen anything better. And trust me, I've had a channel running for a little while, and the stuff I was learning on this, it just shocked me. I just said, wow, you know, I didn't realise you can do all that. And the playlist mastery, again, $17. It's a no-brainer, because you can use your playlist to drive in more traffic, optimize even more, you know, to get ranking. It's just, I was shocked about it. This one truly shocked me, because I thought, wow, I didn't realise you can do that with playlists. And lastly, YouTube Discovery Ads, the Discovery Mastery course. Awesome, comprehensive ad training course. $67. Can't go wrong. So you get all three of these, man, you're going to be a force to be reckoned with on the YouTube. You're gonna know how to set it up, how to optimize it, how to run it, and how to market it. It's a complete system here. So yeah, just go over the sales page. So, you know, like I said, I've bought, you know, Adam Payne's courses before, and I can't recommend them enough. And you got some testimonials here, and I know these are real testimonials, because this is actually Philip Bowman. He's actually my mentor. So I know for a fact, you know, this isn't just thrown in there. These are real testimonials. I know Gary, you know, honest marketer. And I know these names. Kevin Fahy, he's an honest marketer. He's got some excellent products. And all of these are real testimonials, you know, not just thrown together like you see other vendors doing. And like I said, I don't know anyone any better that does video marketing than Adam himself. So for me, this is highly recommended. And all these are his results. They ain't just copied and pasted from somewhere else, you know. This is his stuff. He's putting his real results on this sales page. So yeah, you know, for me, awesome course. And you know, he walks through it all. He doesn't miss anything out. It's over the shoulder training. So I definitely recommend you get this course. So basically, I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10, because he's not lying about what you need to do. He goes through every module, step by step. You know, it's easy to understand, click by click, shows you exactly what you need to be doing. And these are the kind of courses you need to get your business running and growing. You know, courses like this, video training courses, good, honest training, not all these false promises that people give you nowadays that you see on like Warrior Plus and JVZoo or whatever. If you want to make a business online, these are the kind of courses you need to be doing it, because these are long-term strategies. You know, he's not saying you're going to make money 10 grand overnight or something. This is a long-term strategy. You want a business model that's there for years and years and years, kind of thing, you know. And you know, he has a logical way of delivering his training. You know, he likes to go, you know, follow a path, a logical path. So, you know, you see that in all of his training. So yeah, 10 out of 10, guys. You have to get this. You know, if you're serious about your YouTube channel, you know, for long-term business strategy, this is the course for you. And like I said, the prices that I told you, those are the early bird discounts. So it's for the next 6 days anyway. But you know, even if you catch this video afterwards, get it. You know, get this course. It's definitely worth the money. Cool. My name's Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also check out the links in the description for this to grab a copy of this course, and also to check out my other affiliate marketing training. Cool. I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.